How to use laptop as cloud storage server. Tired of paying for cloud storage? Did you know you can use your old laptop as your own personal cloud server? Let's unlock this tech secret. Think of it, free storage. You control your data and it's accessible from anywhere. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose an older laptop instead of letting it collect dust. First, you'll need to install server software. Options like Nextcloud or Cfile are popular and user-friendly. These programs create a web interface for accessing your files. Follow the installation instructions carefully. You'll need to configure user accounts and set up the storage directory on your laptop's hard drive. Once the software is running, you can access your cloud through a web browser or dedicated apps. You can upload, download, and share files just like with any other cloud service. Remember to set up port forwarding on your router to allow external access. Also, consider using a dynamic DNS service if your IP address changes frequently. Security is key. Use strong passwords and enable encryption. Keep your server software updated to patch any vulnerabilities. Consider using a VPN for added security when accessing your cloud from public Wi-Fi networks. This will protect your data from eavesdropping. Transform your laptop into a secure personal cloud server today. Download Nextcloud or Cfile, follow the setup steps, and start enjoying free private storage. Like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Share this with a friend who needs more storage.